guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Ifeoma here again, and you're watching Ifeoma's channel. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you a story, what happened to me when I was a child, and yes, what happened to me when I was a child, and how I handle it, okay? But before we go into this story, if this is your first time, thank you for coming. I really appreciate. I appreciate all my old and new subscribers for joining the family. You guys are wonderful. I really appreciate. God bless you all. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you, like I said before, a story, an experience I got when I was younger. Then I was still living with my aunt and her family. So one day, you know, as a child, we don't know anything, okay? So one day, before I got my period, okay, we all have that experience, okay? We all have the experience of our first time seeing our period, okay? But in my case, it was a little bit different. Please don't this thing I'm about to say is my own experience, okay? Everybody have their own experience. If your experience cannot be like my own experience. Each and every one of us, as long as we are women, we have different experience, and this is mine, and I decide to come and share with you so that you can learn from my own experience. If you can learn from my own mistakes, I made a mistake seeing my first time seeing my period. I make a terrible mistake, okay? So that mistake I'm here to share with you so that you can learn from my own mistake. If you're upcoming girl that is about to see her period, so that you know what to do. So then I was living with my auntie about a long time ago. Can't even, it's long time ago. It's even more than 18 years, okay? So then I living with my aunt. I did not know what is period. I just come new in Italy. I just come new. So obviously my mom is late, so nobody to teach me. So my auntie brought me here in Italy. So we are living together. Then maybe she haven't had time to teach me about period, or maybe she have taught me, which I cannot remember. But one day in a very fateful day, I begin to feel something on my belly, okay? Begin to feel cramp, begin to feel pain. I cannot even explain it. Then my auntie was at work, my uncle was at work, nobody was at home, okay? I was alone. So I began to feel this pain on my tummy. The pain was too much, the cramp was too much. I felt pain, Then as I was feeling the pain, I did not mind. Okay, I did not mind. I thought that it's just stomach ulcer, it will pass. Then the thing stopped. After the pain will come back, and I was like, what is happening? I was touching my tummy. Small time, I begin to notice something under my on my underwear. I was like, what is this liquid I'm perceiving? So I went to the toilet and pulled down my underwear, and I saw what I wasn't expecting. I was like, what is this? It was red. What is this? What is going on with me? And I was afraid. Okay, I was afraid. As a small girl I was then. I was afraid. I don't know what to do. I was afraid. So I was even afraid to tell my auntie, okay? I was afraid to tell her. So what I did not tell my auntie. I took toilet tissue, I wrap it, and I put under my underwear, my pants, and I rewear my pants back, and I behave as if nothing happened. Okay, you can imagine. So my auntie comes back from work in the evening time, and I was like, should I tell my auntie this or should I not tell her? Should I tell her? What if she beats me? What if she shouts at me? That was all my worriness. But I was eagerly to tell her, but I was afraid. So I just did not tell my auntie. Let's be honest. I did not tell her. I didn't tell her. So what happened is that I was going out, moving around the house and doing my house chores like normal, carrying that toilet tissue on my pants. So my auntie now, he's an adult. She's an adult, so she knows what's up. So she now saw me the way I was walking, And me as a child, I thought I was wise. Okay, I thought I was wise, not knowing that that toilet roll I put on my under my pant have been soaked of blood. So I did not know, and it come out from my back, from my trouser, you know. So my auntie noticed it, saw it from my back. I did not even know that this can it can come out. Okay, I did not know that the period can come out of my pants, come out of my trouser. So I was just there. So my auntie now saw my back, and she was like, what happened? So as she saw me, she did not say anything. She was expecting me to come and tell her, see, auntie, this is what, waited. She did not hear from me. I was indifferent. So she now called me and said she's disappointed in me. And I said, what happened? She called me privately. She called me in the toilet and said she was disappointed on me. And I said, I did not say anything. I was like, what did I do? So my auntie now said me, so you saw your period today, you could not tell me. I was like, how did she know? She now tell me to look back, and I look back. I was like, oh my God. So this thing come out. You can imagine the embarrassment I felt that day. Oh, I felt so much embarrassed. I felt so much sorry for my auntie, because I did not confide in her. I don't know why. You know, I am a kind of person that if something is happening to me, I don't like to bother people, okay? I don't like to bother people. I just try to solve my own problem by myself. That is what I always do, right from childhood. So I thought telling my auntie, first of all, she will be angry. That is what I thought. First of all, she will be angry. Secondly, I am bothering her. Okay, that is why I did not tell her. I was afraid. So my auntie was disappointed on me. But before she could start talking to me, she now went to her room and give me a pad to change. And I went and take my pant, and with that pad she gave me, and now she now teach me how to change it, and I wash myself and change myself, okay? And I was feeling better after that. So my auntie now calls me to my room and asks me, why didn't I tell her? Okay, why didn't I tell her? Why didn't I confirm on her? I was feeling a little bit sorry. She was a kind of angry and disappointed at the same time for not telling her, because she was a good auntie. So I say, I'm so sorry, auntie. I did not know. I was afraid. She now said, okay. From that day, she now sit me down and taught me how to now go on, how to clean myself, how to wear it, when to wear it. You know, basically the things about period. She now taught me how to manage myself from now on. So this is my story. If you find it interested, please don't forget to click the like button, comment and subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification, okay, for more videos. So this is my story. I hope you learned something from my own mistakes, okay? If you are a young lady watching me, please don't make the same mistake I make, okay? Don't make that the same mistake. If you have someone, if you are fortunate to have your mom, your aunt, anybody that is an adult around you, and you are seeing this kind of thing, don't hesitate to go to run to that person, and I believe that person will help and explain better for you, okay? So this is my story. I hope you find it interesting, okay? Thank you for watching. Thank you. God bless you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.